Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. It's Jeff here. I hope you're all well. I want to look at what's happened to these pairs I've been using recently with this recent market manipulation zone we've had. Yeah, and I've had some requests to keep everything really simple. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to a higher time frame, just so you know, of the 1 hour. And I'm going to look at a few pairs here, not them all. A couple of Forex pairs and maybe some gold, because I know people have been trading gold here as well. So we look back to when this manipulation happened, okay? And when we look where it came from, yeah. This is a particular indicator that shows some fair value gap in break of structure and also something called change of basically character. That's what that means. So for that to be coming down, it means it has to be going up. So what I'm going to go down is all the way back down to the bottom of the first move started down here. There's some imbalance or a fair value gap without being too technical. These things, I'm going to go all the way back. There was a gap down there. You can see a gap. Don't worry about it. It was space. We go all the way down till we get to a couple of, say, bottoms, either this one or this one. So all I'm going to do is mark up that zone there, and mark up that zone there. Yeah, as without being too technical. So price was here, it goes up, it breaks up previous structure there, so change the character from the downtrend to an up. Did the same again, break structure there, the same thing. So ideally what we're looking for is as it breaks through these, we're looking for this area here where these started from, and they started from last down, or you can see even this one up. So I'm just going to follow this up, ladies and gentlemen, all the way to this manipulation happened. You can see that that whole time we're in an uptrend. Yeah. And we get this change of character. Change the words rather than change of character to change of direction. And as it breaks through there, yeah, and this happened in a couple of seconds. You may not be quick enough to get there. Then when you're looking left, if you are trading this, I'll explain to you targets. And you would not believe it's here. Yeah? So this is I went up there, it pushed down, and this was the last one that caused this. Why? This was the last break of structure before the change. See, that's the last break of structure. Break of structure just means going up and it broke that high. That's all that means. And these colors are just, and there's some information, improper price action. Forget this phrase as it highlights it to say price has to come to there. Now we do know it's there, so all I'm going to do is remove that one because it's the last break of structure. Not target. Now, I've highlighted that. Now at this point, if we are trading this on the less manipulative day, all I would simply drop down to 15 minutes. Yeah. Drop down to 15 minutes. Yeah. We do everything on the 1 hour, the setup. Yeah. Hope everybody's with me so far. Yeah. Just stop this. Just so. Oh, I'll switch my video off. I'll put it back. I'm suddenly just I'd also add one more little indicator to this. Yeah, are you there? Let me go back. Let me go back. Go back to the other. Apologise. Where are we? Yeah, I got lost. I apologise. Share my screen. I've also put that indicator on just so you know. It's this indicator here. Yeah, so I'm back on the out. Got this here. All this is doing to me is letting me know the change of character or the potential reversal going to happen. This recognized called pivot reversals. But rather than doing that, so we know we're going to miss that, let's drop down to the 15-minute time frame. Go back to where that happened. You can see it there. And if you could catch that with the entry there. And when you're looking left, there's no targets. And the target was this zone here. This zone here. Some of the smart money concept people, they would do things like make it 50% of that zone. Let me see what that would be. So let's see, drag that across. Right, ladies and gentlemen. And let's just see when that eventually goes, because let me just check. The only challenge with this is a lot of hanging around. That's why a lot of people struggle or fail start money concepts because of the amount of times. But with releasing lots of these ones with this, boom, hits the target again, and starts reverse to the pip, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I'm not saying you would have got this to show it, but it's showing you what is possible. So if you did manage to get this to the short with the change of character of this high, the target would have been there, 4.69%. Yeah, so that's it. Now what I'll do is I'll show you on a different pair to show you. Just come down here. I'll end up with gold real quick. EUD USD will go to the same thing here. This manipulation. We look left all the way down to the bottom, and we see on the 1 hour time frame. We get this one which now. And read beyond that, change of character. So it's going downtrend with a break of structure here. Give me a minute, break of structure there. Change of character, break of structure. Yep. So let's just mark these areas up here. Give me a minute. That's still going down. I can see a break of structure. I'm going to highlight that one. We're on the 1 hour. Goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up. Goes up. Yeah, now we know that's there. Let's break down to the 15-minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I'm not saying you would have got that if it did get in it as it was coming down there. Let's just do the risk to rewards. Do it there, do it there. Just showing you what was possible. This one I went all the way down to the bottom. Yeah, rather than the 50. Now let me actually have a look at this. Because this one went slightly further. So I'm going to bring that down there. See what was down here. And I'm going to look left to see what was left at that point there. Now, so rather than this one, it took it from the very bottom, ladies and gentlemen. See that? So whether you hit the target there, you'd have been quite happy. But it took it from this one here. It's incredible. Let's do EUR, USD. Same everything. We know we'll have this big push down. We're going to look for the bottom. The bottom here. We're also going to look. The other one was no break of structure. That was the challenge I was having. Well, that one. There was nothing like that there. One does seem a bit big, but that one, just it's that one there. All learning process. Here we go. We drop down to the 15-minute, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I'm not saying. Just look at this. So it breaks through this here, put it above there or above there, whatever you like. Down. Maybe doesn't hit this target. What target does it hit? So the low at this point, around about here. So let's look at left because again there was no break of structure on the hour at that point. What is that? Let me just check. It's difficult, but again I'm going to be honest. This one here. Wait a minute. Oh, oh, it hit it. So why did I do that? It did hit it. I was just too far back. Yeah, that there. So the target would have been at the 50% of that one or that one. Well, either one would have done for me. So this. Just 50% of that. Just reached beyond it. You'd have been happy either way. Let's just have a quick look at gold, ladies and gentlemen, and do the exact same analysis. I know some of these changed gold. Trade gold again. So there was the manipulation on the 1 hour. So this was me using certain time and date for the manipulation when there is news. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. And what is it on? What is to look at the left? So go down to there. And I see something here. There. Yeah. Time frame. You can see what I'm doing. Again, I'm not saying we'll enter these, just letting you know up that high. Different ways at looking for targets. Did it actually? It was just, oh, I actually did. It did just hit there. But I'm probably vexed with that there. If again, wasn't this trade, I'm just being honest with you. I know some of you do trade gold, but some of you do very well in gold in this group. just looking for previous fair value gaps, break of structure. You could put on your flow to assist very easily with this. You could have a whole bunch of stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, Jeff here. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye for now.